videos. Today we're making peppermint crisp tart. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 2 bars of peppermint crisp, a pack of coconut plain biscuits, 1 tin of caramel, 1 tub of whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. First, put a layer of biscuits in the dish you're using. Then chop up the peppermint crisps into pieces, like so. Then empty a tin of caramel into a glass mixing bowl and the tub of cream into a separate bowl. Then whip the cream first until it starts taking shape. It'll start to look and feel a little bit more solid. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the caramel and mix it in. Then add around 2/3 of the cream to the caramel and mix it in. After that's mixed in, add 2/3 of the peppermint crisp to the mixture and mix it in. After it's all mixed in, add the remainder of the cream to the mixture and whip it in for about a minute or so more. You can then pour half the mixture over the biscuits before layering it with another set of biscuits. Add the remainder of the mixture on top and then spread the rest of the peppermint crisp across the surface. You can also crumble a biscuit or two over the top to add texture and make it a little bit more solid. After that, it needs to sit in the fridge for at least 6 hours, ideally overnight, before it's ready to cut and serve.